Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you camera tips and tricks for the Nokia C12. Okay, so first of all we are going to start from the photo mode. And right here we are able to use volume buttons. They are located on the right side. When we click volume up or volume down, as you can see, we can take photos. When you click and hold one of this button, you are going to record short video. Next, when you click and hold your finger on the 1x preset, you can unlock this slider and zoom in and also zoom out to the 4 times. It works the same on the video mode. Next, we are also able to click on the screen and then move the sun icon to decrease or increase brightness level manually. To do this automatically, you have to click on the screen twice. When you click in this place, you can enable the beautify mode. Right now it's not good visible, but it works sometimes. It's definitely not the best feature on this phone, but I can recommend you to test it and set up to your own preferences. Next, we can click on this 3 lines on the left upper corner, where we can enable, for example, the grid lines. As you can see right now, they appear on the list, and they basically help us to take better composition on the photos. When you go back to the settings, we are also able to switch function of the shutter button. So currently, when we click and hold the shutter, we are going to capture a video. But when we switch for the burst shots, we will take a series of the photos while holding this button. And when we click and hold the volume buttons, it works the same. If you want to take photos with the low lighting, I mean when there is like not good lighting condition outside, you can use the night mode, and it will give you like a little bit more light to your photos thanks to the AI, and that's how it looks. As you can see, a little bit better than the photo taken with normal mode. And basically that's all tips and tricks that I can recommend you on this phone. So hope you like it.